In Japanese, they use the unit of do, which means in English degree. The degree is mean for temperature or angle. If you want to count the temperature or the angle, you can use do. So let's see how to count. And sometimes they also use do to be used as frequency. Sometimes they use in Japanese. Ichido, ichido, which means 1 degree. Nido, nido, 2 degree. And from now we are going to learn for how to count by using the unit of do. Sando, sando, yondo, yondo, godo, godo, lokudo, lokudo, nanado, nanado, hachido, hachido, kyudo, kyudo, judo, judo. And when you want to say the question, you can say Nando, Nando. Or you can use in the polite form Nando desu ka, Nando desu ka, which means what degree is the temperature. If you use with the temperature, but if you use with the angle, it may mean what degree is the angle, something like this. So it depends to the meaning of the sentence you are talking about. Now let's see some example of how to use the unit of do to count for the degree. The first example, 今日は何度ですか? 今日は何度ですか? Which means what degree is the temperature today? What degree is the temperature today? The second example, 昨日の温度は30度です。昨日の温度は30度です。Which means the temperature was 30 degrees yesterday. The temperature was